This AI just shook Hollywood, and now a battle has officially begun. Hollywood versus AI. So how did this start? It all began with a viral video, a hyper-realistic fight scene. It looked like a Hollywood blockbuster, but it wasn't filmed. It was generated by an AI tool called Seedance. And as clips like this spread online, the tension between AI and Hollywood began, because it looked like real studio filmmaking. And that's when major entertainment players stepped in. Disney raised concerns about copyright and intellectual property protection. Netflix pushed back on AI systems that could replicate proprietary styles and original productions. The Motion Picture Association questioned how these models were trained and whether copyrighted material was involved. At the same time, SAG-AFTRA focused on performer rights. This happened because Seedance wasn't just making simple AI edits, it was generating full cinematic scenes, with professional camera movement, lighting, and storytelling. Hollywood runs on exclusivity, intellectual property, actor contracts, and billion-dollar production budgets. If AI can replicate that level of quality from a simple prompt, studios risk losing control. And when control over money and ownership is threatened, the reaction is serious. That's why this escalated. So now the bigger question is, let's see what China will do next. How will it tackle these threats? Will it adjust, or will it push forward even harder? Because if you can generate Hollywood-level cinema from a prompt, you're not experimenting anymore. You're competing. Seedance proves one thing. AI video isn't coming. It's already here. So before we talk about consequences, let's look at what this tool actually does. Seedance 2.0 was launched in early 2026. It was developed in China by ByteDance, the parent company of TikTok. The model was introduced as a next-generation AI video system designed to generate cinematic scenes from simple text prompts. Alright, now let's look at some key features of Seedance 2.0 first. It's fully multimodal. You can upload multiple images, videos, and even audio files, and it combines everything into one cinematic output. That's powerful. Second, advanced reference control. You can reference motion effects, camera movement, characters, scenes from any uploaded content. Third, superior consistency. It maintains consistent faces, clothing, text, environments, and visual style across shots. That's exactly why it can produce Hollywood-level visuals. The viral clips you saw, those were the result of these capabilities. Fourth, precise motion and camera replication. It can replicate complex choreography, cinematic camera moves, even action sequences. That's why the output feels like real film production. Fifth, video extension and editing. You can extend existing videos, merge multiple clips, edit specific segments, and even generate context-aware sound effects and background music. It also handles sync. Everything stays aligned. And those 6 core features are exactly why Seedance can produce cinema-grade results. Now, let's talk use cases. This isn't just for one type of creator: advertising, marketing, education, creative storytelling, social media, dance videos, real estate, film pre-visualization, music videos. The possibilities are endless. Now, how do you actually create a video? Simple. Upload your assets, images, videos, audio, up to 12 files across different formats. Describe your vision using natural language. You can tag specific assets like image 1 as opening frame or video 2 for camera movement. And it generates a 4 to 15 second cinematic clip. Then you can extend, edit, or refine that output further. And it's already loved by global cinematographers, VFX artists, music video directors, motion designers. Real industry professionals are using it. Now pricing. Right now, it's offering up to 50% off on annual plans. Basic, $9.90 per month. 800 credits, around 80 videos. Standard, $19.90 per month. 2,000 credits, around 200 videos. Pro, $49.90 per month. 6,000 credits, around 600 videos. Each tier offers different capabilities depending on your needs. There's also a one-time credit purchase option. Credits don't expire. Starter packs start around $29.90. Professional credit packs go up to $99.90. So you can either subscribe monthly or buy credits once and use them anytime. And honestly, this is why it's powerful. It's not hype, it's capability. It's not future potential, it's present performance. When AI starts producing content that can compete with Hollywood-level production, controversy is inevitable. Because now, it's not about experiments, it's about competition. Let's see the real clips generated with Seedance, with audio.
Hola, bebé, ven aquí.
¿Qué pasó, amor?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I catch a fish alive.